Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer cod with shore lunch breading mix. Let's begin. We have here 2 eggs. We're going to beat it up real quick. 1, 2. Take the eggs and beat it up. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put that to the side. We have here 1 box of shore lunch breading mix, oven style. Let's open it up. I'm going to cut it open. We'll be using around 3/4 of a cup. There we go. We have here some fresh cod. It's $10.99 per pound and is close to 1 pound. Let's open it up. We're going to season it with just a little bit of garlic powder. There you go. Next, we're going to cut it into chunks. That's 1 piece, just so that will fit better into the air fryer. Since it's split right there, we're just going to cut it right here. So we have 3 pieces. Next, we're going to dip it into the egg. And then dip it into the breadcrumbs. There we go. That's 1. There we go. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the cod. But before we put in the cod, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There you go. Next, we're going to put the cod in. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. Now let's put it in. We're going to set it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Wow, it's so tender that it broke. I'm going to flip it over real quick. There we go, we flipped them over. Let's put it back in for the last 6 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 12 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer cod with shore lunch breading mix. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.